Uthuthuria wa hamwe wa ceceni cia Guardian na Forbidden Stories niguo urahithuririe uria gikundi kia athogi a mitambo kuuma bururi wa Israel mahotire guthoga mitambo ya rune iria hakuhi ya President William Ruto hindi ya githurano kia mwaka muhituku. Undu umwe nayo umwe wa afitha wa kamiti ya ithurano bururi-ini a ABC na itanya ria gutambia ndeto cia muhuhu niguo guthoga maumirira ma githurano. No na gutuika uthuthuria undu na hithuri uria warihite athogia ya mitambo gutabania uthogi uyu wa githurano. Ambunge amwe na wa thirikari riu makuruhanitie mutongoria wa Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga na nake na gukorwo mari thutha wa igeria riri ria guthoga maumirira ma githurano.
Mr. Odinga has always claimed that it is the deep state and the system that rigs elections and steals elections from him. He not only had the system and the deep state, but he also had the means to hack into electoral systems and to those of his competitors.
Gikundi giki kiria kiuikaine ta timu hohe kihithuritio uria kiahotire kuingira mitambo-ini ya Dennis Itubi na Minister Davis Chilchil mbere ya githurano kia mwaka muhituku. Othe aria marutaga wira timu-ini ya kambeni cia mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto. Riu ambunge aya makiuga mothe mekirwo nduma-ini ni mahithuku na umwe ukamenyeka wa aria mendaga guthoga maumirira ma githurano.
Whatever is done in darkness will one day come to light. We have always maintained that this is a classic case of those who, in the older days of our city, would snatch people's bags and run shouting, "Thief, thief, thief," where they indeed are the thieves themselves.
Twamukomithia na nitwaregana nake na nitukuria thirikari gutire mundu iguru wa watho, nobody is above the law. Ikinya akinyukirio nigetha Kenyans tugie na uma woria wathire na mbere na hindi ingi tugitire maundu maitu tutikanagie kahinda kangi gutuike ati he mundu mukenya no mwe tu ukanyitana na thirikari ya nanja guka kuiya information citu.
Kenya Kwanza riu yuritie muingi kwa guthikiriria mateta ma Odinga na nake thiini wa ngwataniro ya ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja. Makiria kuona makoretwo no hinga hari mateta maya kuona itanya riao ne kugairwo thirikari undu uria mehitite kwa gwitikira uhanike.
We want to ask Kenyans to ignore the calls to incitement by Mr. Odinga in his endeavor to look for another handshake that His Excellency the President has been very clear will not happen, is not about to happen, and will never happen.
Ni uru muno he mundu kiumbe akinyitanira na thirikari cia nanja kuingira mitambo-ini ya IBC ti mitambo oro uguo, iyo ni mitambo ikoragwo ikuite information ciothe cia Kenyans, na mundu kiumbe akanyitanira na thirikari cia nja guka kuiya information cia Kenya ni giko kiuru muno. Actually that's a espionage case.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora Wagunya.